So guys, if you are using Samsung Galaxy Watch or any watch which is based on Android Wear OS, so in this video I will tell you how can you set screen on time more than 1 minute or infinite. That means you can set your screen on time of your watch more than 15 minutes, 1 minute or infinite. Okay, but before starting the video, if you're new on this channel, then don't forget to subscribe. Also join our Telegram channel where I provide important files and updates. So without any wasting of time, let's begin. So hey guys, listen carefully. First of all, before moving on this video process, we need to set up Easy Fire Tool and DPI. So how can you set it? So I will provide the link of that video on description. So first of all, watch that video, set up Easy Fire Tool and DPI. After that, you can good to go to move on this process of video. Okay, so I already set up the Easy Fire Tool and DPI. So I will already tell you how can you do it. Simply watch that video which I give on description. Okay, after that, so open this Easy Fire Tool application. Okay, so interface is like that. So I will close this application, and first of all, the most important thing is we need to download the one application. The application name is Screen of Timeout. So download this application. I will provide the link of this application on description. Okay, simply download that application. If link is not working, then join our Telegram channel and you can download that application from Telegram channel. Okay, so I already downloaded that application. Simply open Easy Fire Tool, then click on select file, then select that Screen of Timeout application. Okay, after that, click on install, click on yes, and wait for some time. It will take some time, so we need to wait it. Okay, the important point is note that on the bottom we can see the operation successful pop-up. So carefully watch. As we can see here, it is the operation successful. So that means our application is successfully installed on our watch. So as we can see here, it is that application. Simply click on that application. Okay, and after that, click on finish app. Okay, I am going to click on finish app. Okay, again click on application. Okay, then click on OK, then scroll down and click on allow permission. After clicking allow permission, then click on change system settings, click on right button. Okay, and simply we need to go back, then click go back button. Okay, as we can see here, it is the interface, and set the screen time according to your requirement. So if you want to set screen on time, you can set 15 seconds, 30 seconds, 1 minute, 15 minute, or if you click on keep always on, that means your screen on time is infinite. Okay, again I am going to tell you, the important point is if you set keep always on, that means your screen on time is infinite. So here it is the process, and if you like this video, then please like and share this video. See you in the next video. Love you guys. Goodbye. Take care.